Connect the mount. Push the ball head into the screen holder from bottom to top. Put the nut into the ball head. Push the magnetic mount into. Tighten the nut. Without tearing the red film, put the mount on the car screen for testing. Custom made for Toyota Camry models, equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Extra adhesive tape for replacement or reinforcement. Adjusted from bottom to top for the optimal angle. Install the mount. Clean the top of the screen. Tear off the red film. Install the mount on the screen and press for at least 15ths. Wait 24 hours before use. How to install the metal ring. Only install outside the phone case. Only for smooth plastic case. Clean the phone case surface. Use the positioning card to install. Peel off the film. Stick the metal ring and press hard. Remove the positioning card. After sales service,